Alright guys, so we're going to start a video over here over the entrance. As you can see, we come from the street right up until here, and we got the stairs which go up. As you can see, we got some more stairs in the other level which takes us to the rest of the rooms. And as we can see, we got a really nice and comfy area. Also notice we got really tall ceilings, which is something super important. We find over here some decoration, okay, really neatly decorating this side, okay, also with information. And as we mentioned, we find the stairs over here. Notice also we got some cameras over here on the top, and to this side we got some more information, really nicely settled in this picture over here. Okay, and now we're gonna go first off, before going up the stairs, we're gonna turn ourselves over here to the left hand side where we find the common area. This is a really nice room, and we're gonna check it out over here. So as you can see already, really wide open, seems really comfy, really nice atmosphere over here. Okay, so you can see pretty big, and we're gonna start off to this side. So we came inside over here through this door, and first off we find this side where we got this couch, okay, really nicely settled. We got really nice colors throughout the whole common area. To this side too, we got a picture just on top of the couch, decorating really neatly this side. And another super cool feature is that we got this piece of equipment over here that projects us the images to this wall. So as you can see, we got pretty much all of this wall, which is the television. So really nicely settled also, just in front of this spot, surrounded by these 4 couches. So that's a really nice feature to have. We go over here, we got a coffee machine, okay, everything really neatly and nicely presented. We got also more stuff going over here, okay, also more equipment, and also really neatly distributed. Just on top of it, we got these kind of frames over here which are forming a big picture, okay, which is really cool and gives a really nice atmosphere to this side. And also we find this piece of furniture where we got some extra storage over here on the left, on the right, and 3 doors in the middle. Also, to top of this common area, we're gonna see that we got a bathroom over here, we got a laundry room over there in that door, and if we turn to the side, we got the office. So we're gonna check out first the bathroom over here, since we got it attached to the side of the common area, and we got some really cool patterns in the wall over here. We got some equipment, okay, for the bathroom. We also got a sink, we got some space down over here in the bottom, and on the top we got a mirror. We also got some paper hanging really neatly from the wall over here. And these bathrooms mainly for when we are over here in a common area or maybe watching a movie or whatever. We got this bathroom really handy. So to this side we find this table, really neatly presented too. We got some information of the city. If we turn to this other side, we got this really cool space where we find 4 couches, okay, also decorated with some really nice patterns and colors. In the middle we got this table, okay, also with some information and really neatly presented. To the side we find a lot of decoration too with these pictures, okay, over here on the top too. Notice also, as we mentioned before in the intro, that we got really tall ceilings, so this gives us a really nice and wide atmosphere to the whole of the apartment. Now if we go to this other side, we can see how massive this space is. We got some water over here. We got another table surrounded by a lot of chairs, okay, so as you can see, we can do over here a lot of meetings, a lot of work, whatever we want to do, we can do it really neatly over here. To this side too, we got this couch where we can sit and relax. And over here we got this board, also with some information and everything really neatly presented. To this side we got an extra door, and we also got some light coming from the exterior, which makes it a really nice space. To top of this space we got first of this massive clock, and to this other side we got this kind of built-in shelf where we got several different books.